Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the additional settings, to the system settings, then go to the keyboard and input method, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. As you can see, it's pretty long and big, so let's pick Greek language, Greece, done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, by tapping on this globe icon, I can switch languages, and here I have my Greek layout. And now I can type in Greek just as the ancient Greek philosopher. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.